Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and today I'm going to do a tutorial for our rainbow hummingbird mix. So this traditionally goes in a hanging basket, but we're going to do up some plant pies as well. That way it's super easy to just replant it into a planter. Gonna start with some fertilizer. I always like to put it on top so I can remember that it's there, otherwise I forget and I'm digging through the soil. This mix is going to have a Dracaena right in the center. So we put the spike right in the middle, poke myself in the eye, yeah, right in the center. And then what we're going to put around this for the rainbow hummingbird is multiple colored Calibrachoa and Lobelia. So this mix has orange and pink Calibrachoa in it. It's got this really pretty soft orange. So I'm going to put two of these in opposite of each other. And it's really important with Calibrachoa that we don't bury them under the soil. We just plant them nice and level with the top of the soil. And then this has a really hot pink in it. And these pinks, they are really full and bushy. I'm going to have to pinch the orange off because that will make them get bushier. So give those a soft pinch. And then putting the Calibrachoa in just opposite sides of each other. That way the basket is nice and even. And then Lobelia. So this Lobelia is a really nice bright blue color. And this Lobelia can actually go right in full sun. So really bright blue. That's why we call this rainbow, because it has so many colors in it. Actually, I'm gonna move this over. Okay. There we go. So that's going to have a ton of color. Going to give that a little pinch as well so it bushes out more the Lobelia. And then all of our mixes that are hummingbird mix, they have a special vine in them called Lophus, and it's right here. This is our Lophus vine, and it gets tubular shaped flowers, which hummingbirds love, and that's why this is called the Hummingbird series, is that it does attract hummingbirds. Okay, so these get really, really long, and they do get really pretty flowers on them. So we're gonna put one on each side, and then our hummingbird mixes, we always put in this really bright potato vine. And so we'll put one on each side as well. That lime green. So in the hummingbirds, we've got a purple and white one. We have the rainbow hummingbird, and then we have a pink mix. And hopefully we'll have more for you too. Thanks, guys.